So today, class, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a pillow. Like that, you go like that. But what if it's got like these like edges? It's got these little like edges that are like that, maybe? So there's a pillow, and maybe you've got these like maybe it's got like an indentation in it. So you would have like a point here. The point of where the tension leads to, and the lines are gonna go out from the point of tension. Now there's like an indentation, and if you zoom in really, really close, there's an amogus. In the pillow. He's sleeping, see? He's a sleepy amogus. Sleepy crewmate. Let's give him a little blanket. Tuck him in. And that is how you draw a pillow. Like and subscribe.